On today's episode, we go off-road, catch some speed, see an old friend, and have a close call with... What's up guys, Mr. RussB, back with another video. Thanks for watching, thanks for stopping in. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so I can provide you guys with some more quality content. Right here, we are in Brooklyn, New York, Canarsie, Flossie. If you don't know what's going on, get to know. This is Seaview Park. This is a regular occurrence. This video was taken like June 2021. This is the summertime. Regular stuff in Brooklyn, New York. Everyone's pretty lawless. The world revolves around them. So they park any which way they want to. As you can see, there's cars on the median. There's cars in the whole lane. Navigating through this is not fun. Speaking of fun fact, we're about to pass East 92nd Street. And for those who love music, we know that this is the old neighborhood of the late Pop Smoke, R.I.P. Pop.
Sit up, never like you know it's what you pack it with the automatics. We gon' set them to heaven.
This is f***ing crazy. What the f***? As you can see, it's pretty lawless in the summertime and in general here in New York City. As a rider, you gotta make way. You know, you gotta find the safest route, and in this traffic, the safest route for me is riding this shoulder. Although cars shouldn't be on it, they're on it, but you know, you're small enough to get through, and that's what you're gonna do. White lining through this traffic, I wouldn't do unless I necessarily had to. But you're gonna wanna make sure that you keep 2 fingers on that brake, 2 fingers on the clutch. You're about to find out why we do that as riders. Crazy occurrence. I literally, I don't know, instincts kicked in heavy there. You know, killed all engine power using the clutch and then hit that front brake. Had the rear wheel off the ground. I believe the front of the bike definitely endoed. Never done that before. That was a first. But I think one of the crucial things here is to stay calm because you don't want to ride angry. Yo, you gotta put a blinker on, boss.
Bye. It's outrageous, egregious, preposterous. It's definitely preposterous.
I carry on with my ride, you know, fellow rider, you know the vibes to this traffic. Anyway, we are a fraction of the size of these cars, so now it's time to white line because there's no more emergency room, so to speak. Funny enough, this is one of my guys. We used to play ball together. We saw each other on this ride. And that's, people, is how you use your front brake. A little sooner works better, but that's how you use your front brake. So, whoa. I was dead sitting there like, yo, it's over. I crashed this bike. About to call insurance. I'm gonna make it out, hopefully. with no scratches. Alright. Let's go, boys. Good, good, good. Just we're gonna stand on this. Alright. I'm going over. Looks like some of the motorcycles probably.
down, catch some speed real quick.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, like, dislike, do what you gotta do, but check out more of my videos. See you guys later.